Grade 3, how are you all? Welcome back to your Elga class. Okay, so today we are going to revise our portions. Okay, children, so you should take your reader and your workbook. Okay, both the books you should take, a pencil and eraser. Okay, so I hope you all completed your workbook, right? Yeah, so it's my duty to dictate the answers. Okay. Yeah, children. So all of you take your reader and workbook. So first we are going to revise our reader. Okay. Yes, all of you take your reader first. Next, workbook. Okay. Yeah, take it fast. A pencil, eraser and your reader book. So children, take SR1. So blend, SL blend and ST blend, the first day we learned, right? Yeah, SL blend, slur and stir, right? Okay, next, what? Chinese way of eating. There we saw Neha, she went on a trip to China and she saw many different things. Yes or no? Yes, she saw Great Wall of China, then she saw pandas and some people performing martial arts, right? Okay, so next she saw a wonderful thing that people in China, they eat what? Food with the chopsticks, right? Yeah, she like the way they use chopstick. So at last what she said, so when she go home she also will try to not use food with chopstick. She said that I will show this to my family, how Chinese people eating food with chopstick. Okay, yeah, then vocabulary words we saw, then articles we saw, right? Articles in grammar, article, definite article and indefinite article, a and the. Three things we learned, right? Yeah, a, where we should use a, where we should use an, where we should use the article. So general things we should use a and an. So where a word starts with vowel sound, a noun starts with vowel sound, we should use what? An. Other consonant we should use a in general noun. Okay, so if you were saying something specifically, you should use what? The article before the noun. Okay, the article before the noun. So I hope you all understand what is article, a, an and the. Okay, general, look at this, general, and this is specific. If you are saying something specific, you should use the. Okay, if you are saying something in general, saying noun in general, you should use a and an. Okay, a flower, an apple. Okay, and where you should use this an? Before vowel sound. What is a vowel? Vowel a, e, I, o and u. Okay, children? Yeah. So apple, it starts with a, apple. Yeah. So you should use what? An apple, an orange. Okay, an umbrella, an igloo, an elephant, an onion, an umbrella. Okay, so a. For other consonants you should use a. Okay, yeah. So the, where you should use the? In specific. Okay, specifically if you are saying something, you should use what? The there. Okay, the red bus. Which bus? Specified. It is specified. Which bus? Red colored bus. Okay, an orange pencil. An what? Sorry, orange pencil. Orange color pencil. You were saying not in general pencil, but you were specifically saying that orange color pencil. Okay, so the orange color pencil, orange pencil. Okay, yeah, then cardinal and ordinal number we saw. Cardinal number tells us how many of something we have. Okay, how many numbers. There we should use numbers. Okay, 1 apple, 2 chopstick, 4 lemon, 5 pencils, 6 scales. Okay, okay. So ordinal number is position, first position, second position, third position. Okay, it shows the position. Okay, children, turn the next page. So the next day we saw SP blend and SN blend, spur blend and snur blend. Okay, yeah. Then the next day we saw the cricket match. Okay, cricket match. What? It's a very nice story about Rita and Ron, right? Yeah, they both went to see a cricket match, and Rita is from where? Which place? Yeah, in India, and Ron is from Sri Lanka. Okay, she support India and he support Sri Lanka. See, look at the posters. It is in Hindi and this is in Sinhala language. Okay, yeah. So Rita drinks nimbu pani and he likes to drink coconut water. Okay, so when a ball came near to them, they rushed to catch and both of them bump each other. Okay, yeah. So that's what we saw in this. Vocabulary words also we saw, right? At last what we saw? Moving to China. We learned moving to China. It is also same about which country? Yes, China. Okay. See, who Karan is the main character there, right? He is moving to China and he want to know about the places in China. That's why he collect information from many persons or many things, right? He asks his teacher about China, then he went to library and collect informations, then he make a list of places which he wants to visit in China. So what are the places? The Great Wall of China, the Summer Palace, then Yellow Mountain and West Lake. It is also known as Paradise on Earth. Yeah. Then he also want to learn Chinese language. Yeah. Then he made a long list. Yeah, he want to visit the places. List. He took a long list of places. Which are the places he want to visit there? Which are the places? Yeah, very good. What? Great Wall of China. Then, yeah, the Summer Palace. Then, which mountain? Yes, Yellow Mountain. Then, Paradise on Earth. That is West Lake. Okay, children. That's what we saw in our reader. Yes or no? Yeah, I hope you all learned that. Right? You all learned it, right? Okay. So, children, on 10th, your exams are starting. So, you should learn what? Each and every word you should learn. Okay, children? So, then only spellings must be correct, and if I ask question answers from inside your book, you can what? Write the answers correctly. Then vocabulary words, blends, then what? Spellings, then match the followings, question answers, everything you should learn. Okay, from maybe I may ask what? Questions from inside the book. Okay, so everything you should learn. Read carefully, study carefully and write your exams well. Okay, children? Okay, so now it's time for our workbook. Take your workbook. I hope you all completed your activities and homeworks, right? Anyway, it is my duty to dictate the answers. Okay, so all of you take your workbook, a pencil and eraser. Okay, take it fast, children. Okay, children. So all of you turn page number 6. There blends were given. Okay, blends. So listen, what is this? Slippers. So SL and ST is given. What you should write? Yes, slippers. SL, slippers. So what is this? SL and ST is given. Slam or stamp? It is stamp. ST you should write there. Okay. So next, what is this? O is given. ST and SL is given. What is this? Slow. So SL you should write there. So next is Or is given. SL and ST is given. What is this? What picture is this? Store. So ST you should write here. Okay. So children, if I am going so fast, you should pause your video and then you should write your answers. Okay children? Okay. So come to next page. Page number 7. You should do this. Okay. You should do this. So what is this? What is this? Fill in the blanks with correct blend from the option given. So what is this? SL and ST is given. Eep. What is this? What is this children? S. Very good. It is sleep. Okay. Sleep. So ST or SL we should write. Very good. SL. SLEEP. Sleep. What is this? Id is given. SL and ST. What picture is this? Very good. It is slide. So what is this? Identify this picture. What is this? R is given. SL and ST. What is this? What we should write here? ST. Very good. Then what is this? SL and ST is given. Air is given. What is this? What we should write here? Very good. Stairs. Okay children. So next, what was the story about? Chinese way of eating. Okay. So Chinese way of eating is given. What was the story about? So Chinese way of eating, what kind of story is that? The story was about what we learned from that story? Chinese way of eating. Yes, very good. How people eat food in China. Yes. So how people eat food in China? With using what? Very good. With using chopsticks. Okay. So details. 3 details you should write here. So you just to memorize that, remember that story, and 3 details you should write below. Okay. So how people eat food in China? Details you should write. Okay. Just write it. I hope already you have written, right? Okay. Anyway, this is the answer. Okay. So, if you want to write, just pause the video and write it. So, they use chopstick to eat food. Yes or no? They use chopstick to eat food. Then they hold the sticks. How? They hold the sticks between the fingers. Yes or no? This is how they hold the chopstick. So, they hold the chopsticks between the fingers. Then how they will eat? Then they pick the food and eat it. Okay. Yes, children. So, come to next page. Articles. Okay, read the sentence and underline the article. So, always remember, article we should put before a noun. Okay, before a noun. First you should identify the noun here. Then before that what is given, that is the article. Okay. So Aman wants to read a book. Aman wants to read what? Read a book. Here what is the article? What is the article? Article. Yeah, a book. Okay. Okay children, next. The class went for a tour. Sorry. The class went for a trip to Delhi. So the class went for a trip to Delhi. So here, what is the article? Where is the article in this sentence? Very good. A trip. Okay, a trip. Then, I want to eat an egg. I want to eat an egg. Here, what is the article? Where is the article? There is the article. A and the. Very good. An egg. Next, the mouse went to the garden. The mouse went to the garden. So, here what is the article? Here what is the article? Yes? Yes, very good. Went to the garden. Okay, then I saw an owl on that tree. I saw an owl on that tree. Here what is the article? Here, which is the article? Very good. An owl. A-E-I-O-U. Okay. O is the vowel. So, we should add what? An article. Okay, children? Yeah. The next. Chinese way of eating. Tick the correct option. The story was about what? Chinese way of eating. The story was about the Chinese way of eating with chopsticks or the Chinese practicing karate. Very good. The Chinese way of eating with chopsticks. Okay. Yes, children. So, the next. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct answer. How do people eat food in China? How do people use what? How do people eat food in China? People eat food in China using dash. Spoons or chopstick? Spoons or chopstick? Very good. The China people, that means people eating food in China using what? Chopstick. Very good. Okay. Come to next page. Come to next page. Fill in the blanks using your own words. Okay. So, own words you should write. How do you eat food at home? How do you eat food at home? How? We use what? We use our hands or spoon, right? Yeah, or fork. So, I eat food with hands or spoon at home. Okay. So, some particular foods only we can use fork. Otherwise, we should use what? We will use our hands or spoon. Okay. Then, read the underlined word and circle its meaning. So, what is the meaning of this word trip? Neha went on a trip to China last year. So, what is the meaning of this word trip? Party or holiday? Party or holiday? Very good. It's holiday. Okay. So, for holidays only we go for trip, right? Okay. The next article. Next come to article. Put a or an in front of the nouns. Okay. So, first column I have done. Second column you should do. Okay. So, dash apple. Dash apple. A-E-I-O-U. Apple. A. It's a vowel sound. So, we should use what? And there. We should write and there. Okay. So, next dash tree. Dash tree. T. It is not in vowel. A-E-I-O-U only. T is not in vowel. So, it's a consonant. And which tree it is not particularized. It is not specified here. So, a tree. Okay, a tree. Then ball. Ball. A-E-I-O-U. Vowel sound it is not there. So, we should use what? We should write what? A before this noun. Okay. Orange. A-E-I-O-U. O is there. So, we should write an orange. Okay. Then mango. A mango. So, elephant. Elephant. What article we should use before this elephant? What article? Elephant. Very good. It is an. Why it is an? Because A-E-I-O-U. E is there in vowel. So, we should write what? An elephant. Then house. 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 What article we should use before this house? An, a or the? An, a or the? The house, right? Is it the house? This house is not specified. Some house. So, we don't want to use what? The there. Okay, it is wrong. If you write the, it is wrong. Then, an. Is it an? A-E-I-O-U. So, this H is not in vowel. So, we should write what? A. It's a consonant. Okay. Then, cake. Cake. What we should write? Very good. A cake. Then, umbrella. A-E-I-O-U is there. So, an umbrella. Then, egg. A-E-I-O-U. E is there. So, an egg. Okay. Okay, children. So, if you are not completed, just write it. Or if I am going so fast, you should pause your video and write. Okay. Okay, children. Come to next page. Yes, here also article. Dash sun in the sky. So, the sun is in the sky. Why it is the sun? There is only one sun is there, right? So, the sun. There is only one sun. Is that no? We have lot of friends, a lot of sun. Is it? No, we don't have lot of sun. We have only one sun, right? So, it is the sun. Don't want to specify it. Only one sun is there. So, the sun. Then, do you have dash umbrella? A-E-I-O-U. So, an umbrella. Then, here. I want to eat dash watermelon. Dash watermelon. 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 A, an or the will come. Yes, very good. A watermelon. Okay, then dash jeep is black in color. So, it is not generalized. It is specified here. Black colored jeep. So the jeep is black in color. Okay, then Ria wants dash pencil. Dash pencil. A pencil. Okay, very good. Then here you should write the article. Complete the sentence by filling in the blanks with a, an or the. Mohan buys dash dress for his sister. Dash dress, the dress or an dress or a dress. What dress? Yes, a dress. Mohan buys a dress for his sister. Dash dress is her birthday gift. Dash dress is her birthday gift. Is it a dress? Is it a dress? No, that's wrong. It is the dress. Why it is the dress? Because this dress is already specified here. Is that no? Already they were talking about this dress, the same dress. So, the dress. Okay, children. If he is talking about some other dress or some other thing, you should write a or an. But here, this same dress, Mohan buys a dress for his sister. That dress, for what he bought that dress, is her birthday gift. So, the same dress, they were talking about that specific dress. That's why we should write the there, okay. Then, she likes the gift. Okay, which gift? That dress. So, the gift. She says thank you to him for dash gift. Dash gift for the gift. Because this gift is already what? We talked about this gift. So, we should write the gift. She buys dash ice cream for him. This ice cream, it is not specified. And what we should use? Which article we should use? Consonant or vowel, this I? Yes, very good. Vowel. So, we should write an here. Okay. Okay, children. So, next vocabulary words. Read each underlined word and circle the picture showing its meaning. So, first you should find this picture. What picture is this? One is open and one is closed. So, next picture, this boy is very happy and somewhat sad and tired, right? So, the box was open. Yes or no? Open. Which picture is this? Open. So, you should tick the opened picture. Then, no. You should circle it. I have ticked it. You should circle it. Okay. So, next. How was the... He was feeling tired. He was feeling tired. Which picture is this? Is this is tired or this is tired? Which is tired? This is happy and this is tired, right? So, you should circle this tired picture. Okay. Okay, children, come to next page. Worksheet number 6. Vocabulary words. Sort the words by writing them in the correct column. So, verb and noun is given. So, what is verb and what is noun? What is verb and what is noun? What is noun? Very good. Noun is a naming word. Okay. A naming word we can call by its name. That is noun. So, what is verb? Verb is nothing but action word or doing word. Okay. Action word or doing word. So, you should write it in the correct column. Some words are given here. You should pick it and write it in correct column. Okay. So verb. Verb. Listen here. Chopsticks, move, pick, eat, pencil, china. So first word is chopstick. Chopstick, is it noun or verb? Chopstick is noun or verb? Very good. It is noun. Okay. Then move. Is it a noun or verb? Moving is an action, right? So it is verb. Move. Then pick. Pick up something. Picking is an action. We should do. It's a what? Picking is a action. Yeah. So pick is an action. Verb. Then eat. Eating is a verb or noun? Eat is an action. We should eat the food. Eating is an action. So eat. Pencil, is it a verb or noun? We call this thing with a name. That is pencil. So it is a noun. Then China, it's a name of a place. Yeah. So China is a noun. Okay. So next, cardinal number. Cardinal number you all know. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number. Okay. So circle the word that tell us how many of the noun we have. How many of the nouns we have. So a cat has 4 legs. It is a cardinal number here. As you all know, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This number is a cardinal number. How many legs a cat has? 4. Okay, very good. You should underline this. Yeah? Will you do this? A spider has 8 legs. Ram has 6 eggs with him. Johnny bought 3 dupattas. Rita eats food with 2 chopsticks. So numbers you should underline. Okay, children? So come to next page. Next page. Writing skill. Okay, writing. Number the picture in the correct sequence. First you should number it and then you should write about this here. Okay. So first place is given. Okay, this boy first, second or third place he came. Then they starts a running race. They were running. Then at last what? What happened here? Someone came first. Yeah. So this one you should picture it correctly first. Number 2. The picture number 2 is first one. Picture number 3 is second one. Picture number 4 is third one. And this is the first one. Okay. So you should write this. So first this one. You should write the detail about first picture. Okay. Children are ready for the race. Yes or no? Children are ready for the race. Second one. See, they were running. Right? They run in the race. They run in the race. Third one. Someone came first. A boy wins the race. Then fourth one. First picture. Okay. What happened? He wins first prize in the race. Okay. So children, write it fast. Write it down fast. Or pause this video and then write. Okay. Okay children. Then next come to articles. Complete the sentences by filling in the blanks with a, an or the. Already we done about Mohan and his sister's birthday gift. Right? Yeah. Here now John and about what? His books. Okay. John wants to read dash book. Some book. A book. Okay. John wants to read a book. He goes to dash library. He goes to the library. Okay. Why it is the library? Because why it is the library? Where we can use the means what? It is nearby. Okay. It is nearby his home and regularly he will use the same library only. Okay. So it is the library. Then he picks up dash old storybook. Old storybook. So old O A-E-I-O-U. Okay. A-E-I-O-U. So an old storybook. He reads it. He likes the book. The book already we what? Talked about book. Which book? A Storybook. About a storybook. So already we talked about it. That's why the we should use. The book. It was dash good book, he says. It was a book. A good book, he says. Okay. Yeah. Then come to next page. Cardinal number. Numbers. First you should identify the pictures. How many it is there. Okay. How many it is there. And then you should write it in the answer. Okay. First you should count it. Okay children. You should count it. See. There are dash girls. How many girls are here? Yes. 2 girls. There are dash umbrellas. Count it. Very good. 3 umbrellas. I can see dash elephant. Dash elephant. 1 elephant. Okay. 1 elephant. I like these dash red cars. How many cars are here? 4 red cars. Okay. Look at those dash turtles. How many turtles are there? Very good. 5 turtles. Okay. Write it down. Then come to blends. Blends. See. What is this? SP or SN we should write here. What is this? Identify this picture now. What is this? Very good. This is spider. So you should write SP or SN. SP or SN. Yes, very good. SP. Spider. Spider. Then what is this? What picture is this? Yes, snake. So we should use SP or SN. Yes, yen. Very good. Snake. SN. Then what is this boy doing? What is this the boy doing? Look at this picture carefully. He is sleeping and making sound. Yes or no? Yeah. So while sleeping, we should make some noise. Without our knowledge, we should make some noise, right? So what word is that? What is that? That is snoring. Okay, snoring. So snoring. SP or SN? Very good. SN. Okay, snoring. Then what is this? SP, SN is given. Ray is given. So yeah, it is spray. So SP or SN we should write. Very good. It is SP, spray, SP. Okay. Write it down. And come to next page. Same blend. Okay. Same blend. So you should fill this. What is this? Very good. It is spoon. So SN or SP will come. SP. Then what is this? Snack. Snack. So SN or SP will come. SN. Very good. What is this? Spinach. Spinach. SP or SN will come. Spinach. Very good. SP. What is this? Snail. Snail. Okay. Snail. So SN or SP will come. SN. Very good. So next, cricket match. Cricket match. What is the story about? The story was about 2 children watching cricket match. Okay. So this detail you should write. So Rita and Ron have posters on their own language. Yes or no? So Rita with Hindi and Ron with his language, that is Sinhala language. Okay, yeah. They jump and cheer for their favorite player. How they cheered their favorite player? By jumping and clapping maybe. Okay. Then they rush to catch the ball. Yeah, very good. These are about what? Details. Then come to next page. Next page, ordinal number. Ordinal number, same. What does that ordinal number mean? Position. Showing the position, where it is. Position. Okay. Which position it is? First position, second position, third position, fourth position. Okay. Just underline the position. Okay, children. Then, read the sentence and write its detail. Okay. Read the story and answer the question. So, this is, look at this picture carefully. What is this? A messy house, right? See, dresses are on the bed. Books are on the floor. The cupboard is so messy. See? Yeah. This is Rohan's room. Okay, this is Rohan's room. The cupboard is open. Yes or no? The cupboard is open. There are clothes on the bed. The books are on the floor. Rohan's mother sees the room. She is not happy. Okay, so Rohan's mother, she entered into his room and she saw this messy place and she was unhappy. Okay, yeah. So what was the story about? Rohan's messy room or Rohan's mother liking the room? Yeah, Rohan's messy room. Okay, so you should write this detail. Detail 1, the cupboard is open. Detail 2, his clothes are on the bed. Detail 3, the books are on the floor. Okay, yeah, the cupboard is open. So you can write by your own. Maybe you can write what? About the cupboard is open. For this you can write Rohan's room is very messy. His clothes are on the bed, the books are on the floor. Okay, yeah. Then come to next, the cricket match. What was the story about? Two children watching cricket match, or children trying to catch a ball. Story is actually about what? Children tries to catch the ball, that's okay, but what is the main idea? What is main in the story? Two children watching a cricket match, right? Okay, tick it. What is happening in the picture? Look at this picture carefully. And what is this picture about? They both bumped each other, right? Yeah, so they catch the ball or they get hurt? Yeah, they get hurt. Okay, this picture is about what? They get hurt. Yeah, then what do people drink in Sri Lanka? What do people drink in Sri Lanka? People in Sri Lanka drink Nimbu Pani or coconut water? Coconut water. Okay, yeah. So Rita likes to drink what? Nimbu Pani, and Ron likes to drink coconut water. So people in Sri Lanka mostly they drink coconut water. Okay. Then fill in the blanks by using your own words. How do you cheer your favorite player? I cheer for my favorite player by dash. Holding posters or clapping your hands or cheering them up, jumping or what else. Okay, your own words you should write. Answers you should write. Then Ron cheer for Angelo Matthew by shouts sadly or shouts with joy. Yeah, shouts with joy. Then they bump into each other. That means, what is the meaning of this word? Underlined word bump. Hit by mistake or walk? Yes, it is hit by mistake. Okay. Then cardinal and ordinal number. Numbers and how many is there and where, which position is there, you should write. Okay. Yeah. The bat is in the dash place. Which place? First, second or third? Third place you should write. Okay. An octopus has dash leg, 8th leg or 8 leg. How many legs are there for octopus? 8 or 8? 8. Here you should write the number, not the position. We can't write the position because what? The question is like that. A lot of octopus, if they given and which place it is there, means you should write 8th. Okay, but here they have asked about what? Asked how many legs an octopus has. So 8 legs. Neha eats food with dash chopsticks. 2 chopstick or second chopstick. Eat with 2 chopstick. Okay. Jenny came dash in the race. 3 race or third. Jenny came third in the race because see, in her medal 3 is given. So third position. She is in third position. Okay. Yeah. Then vocabulary words. Read each underlined word and circle its meaning. See, he goes to the library. He reads book about China. Library. What is the meaning of this word library? Market or a place for book. What we can see in this library? Yes, very good. A place for books. We can see books in the library. Okay. Then he has made a long list. What do you mean by listed? To sin or a series of item? List of item. A series of item. It is not to sin. Okay. So circle this word, a series of item. Okay, children? Okay. Then articles, cardinal and ordinal. Underline the article, the cardinal and the ordinal number in the sentence. Read this sentence and underline the articles. Okay. And cardinal and ordinal number. People are working in the building. People are working in the building. So here cardinal is not given, ordinal is not given, number is not given, and what else? Number is not given and position is not given. People are working in the building. Okay, underline this word, the. The children got gifts from the teacher. The children got gifts from the teacher. So the. I study in class 4. I study in class 4. Okay. So number is given. So you should underline the number 4. Next. The children played in the park. The children played in the park. So the you should underline. My mother is a police officer. My mother is a police officer. So here article, a police officer. Okay, number is not given, position is not given, article is given. Okay. There is dash teacher in the class. How many teacher are there in the class? Only one teacher. Do you want to eat an orange? So before this orange we should add what? We should write an. Underline this word, an. This is a picture of an elephant. This is a picture of an elephant. A picture of an elephant. Underline it. Take an umbrella before going out. Take an umbrella before going out. The second boy there is my friend. So position. Lot of boys are there. In that, who is standing second is my friend. Okay. Yeah. Then come to making an inference. Tick the correct sentence to guess what is happening in the picture. First, you should see the picture. What is this? She is feeling what? Happy or surprise, right? Yeah. Then this boy in rain. See, it is raining and he is holding an umbrella, right? Okay. Now we can see the example given. The girl is surprised. The girl is sad. What picture is this? She is feeling happy or sad? Yes, she is feeling what? Surprise. Okay, yeah. Then next, it is a hot day or it is raining outside. See, he is very happy and it is raining outside. It is not hot day. Yeah, it is raining outside. So it is raining outside. You should underline it. Okay. Yes. Then come to tick the correct option. What is the story about? Story moving to China. A boy going to Delhi or a boy going to China? Yes, the boy going to China. What is happening in the picture? What he is doing? What is in his hand? A book, right? The boy is playing. The boy is reading a book. Is he playing? No, he is reading a book. So, you should tick it. Then, where will the boy go first in China? So, a lot of places he took a list. Yeah, list of places he has written there. So, first where he want to visit? Great Wall of China or Summer Palace? Yes, Great Wall of China. Okay. Then next, moving to China. Where would you like to go in China? Your wish you should write. Okay, this is my wish. That is, I want to, if I go to China, first I would like to visit Great Wall of China. So, I would like to go to the dash in China. Where you want to visit, you should write here. Okay. Lot of places are there. In that, where you want to visit, you should write. Then ordinal and cardinal article. Complete the sentence using article, cardinal and ordinal number. I will eat dash apple and dash cake. How many pictures are given? 1. So you should write what? 1 apple and 1 cake is given. So article an and a. And you can't write an cake because this is consonant. You can write an apple because apple A is in vowel. Okay. Then there are dash birds on the tree. How many birds are there on the tree? On this branch? Yes, 1, 2. So you should write 2. There are dash kites on dash bus. So this bus is not specified which color, which area, which number, nothing is given. So this is just a bus. So a bus. Okay. How many kites are there? Look at this picture. How many kites are there? 2. So you should write the number 2. Then dash clown has dash balloons. How many balloons are there? How many clown is there? Yes, very good. 1 clown. So a clown has dash balloons. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 balloons. We have dash eyes and dash hands. How many eyes do you have? Yes, we have 2 eyes. And how many hands we have? Left and right. So 2 hands. Dash elephant is 4th in the line. Sorry. Dash elephant is dash in the line. Where is elephant? 1, 2, 3, 4. So first is fox. Second one is mouse. Third one is yak. And fourth one is elephant. So elephant is in 4th position. So 4th you should write. 4th you should write. Okay. Then this one. Article, cardinal and ordinal number. Complete the sentence using article, cardinal and ordinal number. There are dash fish. How many fishes are there? This is not star. This is starfish. So how many fishes are there? 2 fish. Okay. So you should write 2 fish. Okay. The dash fish is a starfish. So starfish. Where is it starfish? Yes. First fish is starfish. So you should write what? The first fish is a starfish. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 girls are there, right? Yeah. The dash girl has a dash plant. Which girl has a plant in her hand? She is dancing. She is happy. She is also dancing. She has something on her hand. And she is also doing something. Okay. So, which girl has a plant? This girl. 4th girl, right? Yeah, 4th girl. So, the 4th girl has dash plant. How many plants are there? Only 1 plant. So, you can write a plant. Okay. So, plant also, which plant they were not mentioned. So, you should write A. We can't write an because this is not a vowel sound. Okay, children? Okay. I hope you all completed your workbook. So, study well for your exam. Write it well. Score full mark for your exam. Okay, children? So, complete this and study well. And I want everyone to attend the exam and you should score full marks. Okay? Okay, children? Thank you and see you next class. Bye.